The author and his purpose. Dale Carnegie, a renowned American writer and lecturer, penned the book How to Win Friends and Influence People with a specific purpose in mind. Born in 1888, Carnegie began his career as a self-improvement speaker and trainer. He observed that many people struggled with social interactions and lacked the necessary skills to build strong relationships. Motivated to address this issue, Carnegie devoted his efforts to understanding human behavior, communication, and interpersonal dynamics. The significance of the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, holds a significant place in the realm of self-help literature and remains a timeless guide for improving interpersonal skills. Since its initial publication in 1936, the book has sold millions of copies worldwide and continues to resonate with readers across generations. Its enduring popularity can be attributed to the universal need for effective communication and the desire to foster meaningful connections. The book's enduring relevance lies in its ability to provide practical advice and strategies for navigating social interactions successfully. By following the principles outlined in the book, readers gain valuable insights into understanding human nature, building rapport, and influencing others positively. Moreover, the book emphasizes the importance of empathy, respect, and genuine interest in fostering healthy relationships. Carnegie's book stands apart from others in the genre due to its emphasis on long-lasting change. Rather than providing quick fixes or manipulative techniques, How to Win Friends and Influence People encourages readers to adopt a genuine, compassionate approach to connecting with others. The strategies presented in the book aim to create win-win scenarios, where both parties benefit from the interactions. In an increasingly interconnected world, the ability to effectively communicate, build relationships, and influence others is invaluable. This book serves as a guide for readers who seek to enhance their personal and professional lives by mastering the art of human connection. It is a testament to Dale Carnegie's profound insights and his commitment to empowering individuals to become better communicators and leaders. Fundamental techniques in handling people. Avoiding criticism and offering genuine appreciation. One of the fundamental techniques in handling people effectively is to avoid criticism and instead offer genuine appreciation. Dale Carnegie emphasizes that criticism often leads to resentment and resistance, while appreciation fosters goodwill and cooperation. By focusing on the positive aspects of others' actions and achievements, we can create an environment that encourages personal growth and strengthens relationships. Carnegie suggests that when we criticize, condemn, or complain, we are essentially attacking the other person's ego. Such an approach often triggers defensiveness and diminishes the likelihood of resolving conflicts or achieving desired outcomes. Instead, he advocates for a shift in perspective, encouraging us to identify and acknowledge the strengths and accomplishments of others. By expressing sincere appreciation, we can inspire and motivate individuals to perform at their best, fostering an atmosphere of trust and cooperation. The power of using people's names. Another powerful technique for handling people is to use their names in conversations. Dale Carnegie recognized that a person's name is one of the sweetest sounds to their ears. By addressing individuals by their names, we make them feel valued and respected. It conveys our attentiveness and genuine interest in their presence. Remembering and using people's names is not just a simple gesture. It has a profound impact on establishing connections. It demonstrates that we care enough to pay attention and shows that we recognize and appreciate their individuality. When we take the time to remember and use names appropriately, we create a positive impression and strengthen our ability to influence and win the cooperation of others. Active listening and sincere interest. Active listening and showing a sincere interest in others are key components of effective communication and handling people skillfully. Carnegie emphasizes that to engage in meaningful conversations, we must be genuinely interested in what others have to say. This means giving our undivided attention, maintaining eye contact, and actively listening to their thoughts, concerns, and experiences. By listening actively, we not only demonstrate respect, but also gain valuable insights into the perspectives and emotions of others. It allows us to understand their needs, desires, and challenges better. This understanding lays the foundation for building strong relationships, resolving conflicts, and finding mutually beneficial solutions. Moreover, showing a sincere interest in others involves asking thoughtful questions and encouraging them to express themselves. Carnegie advises that we should be more interested in understanding others than in being understood ourselves. By fostering an environment where others feel heard and valued, we establish a rapport that paves the way for effective communication, trust, and influence. 6 ways to make people like you. Becoming genuinely interested in others' lives and experiences. One of the most powerful ways to make people like you is by becoming genuinely interested in their lives and experiences. Dale Carnegie emphasizes the importance of shifting the focus from ourselves to others. By showing a sincere curiosity about their interests, aspirations, and challenges, we create a strong foundation for building meaningful connections. When we actively engage in conversations, ask thoughtful questions, and listen attentively, we convey that we value the other person's perspective and experiences. This genuine interest allows us to understand them on a deeper level and fosters a sense of connection and rapport. By demonstrating a willingness to invest our time and attention in others, we make them feel important and appreciated. Using smiles and creating a positive atmosphere. Smiling is a universal language that transcends barriers and creates a positive atmosphere. Dale Carnegie highlights the power of a smile in making people like us. A genuine smile radiates warmth and friendliness, signaling approachability and goodwill. It can instantly uplift the mood of a conversation and make others feel more comfortable and at ease. Moreover, creating a positive atmosphere extends beyond smiling. It involves maintaining an optimistic outlook, being enthusiastic, and cultivating a positive attitude. When we exude positivity, it has a contagious effect on those around us. People are naturally drawn to individuals who emit positive energy and create an environment where they feel uplifted and motivated. Being a good listener and allowing others to talk about themselves. Being a good listener is a vital skill in making people like you. Dale Carnegie highlights the value of genuinely listening to others and allowing them to talk about themselves. When we lend an ear without interruption or judgment, we show respect and validate their thoughts and feelings. By encouraging others to share their thoughts, experiences, and aspirations, we satisfy their innate desire to be heard and understood. This creates a sense of comfort and trust, making them more inclined to like and appreciate us. Additionally, listening attentively enables us to gain valuable insights into their world, which can help us forge stronger connections and tailor our interactions to their needs and preferences. In summary, the 6 ways to make people like you outlined by Dale Carnegie involve genuinely becoming interested in others' lives and experiences, using smiles to create a positive atmosphere, and being a good listener who allows others to talk about themselves. By practicing these techniques, readers can significantly enhance their likability and strengthen their relationships with others. How to win people to your way of thinking. Avoiding arguments and adopting a cooperative approach. When it comes to winning people to your way of thinking, Dale Carnegie advises against engaging in arguments and instead promotes a cooperative approach. He emphasizes that arguing only creates resistance and defensiveness, making it difficult to influence others effectively. Instead, Carnegie suggests seeking common ground and finding mutually beneficial solutions. By adopting a cooperative mindset, we demonstrate respect for others' opinions and seek to understand their perspectives. This approach opens up the possibility of finding shared interests and working towards a resolution that satisfies both parties. By focusing on collaboration rather than confrontation, we create an environment conducive to influencing others positively. Admitting mistakes and avoiding the need to be always right. A significant aspect of winning people to your way of thinking is the willingness to admit mistakes and avoid the need to be always right. Dale Carnegie acknowledges that nobody is infallible, and owning up to one's mistakes can enhance credibility and trustworthiness. It shows humility and authenticity, making others more receptive to our ideas and suggestions. When we let go of the need to be right all the time, we create space for open dialogue and encourage others to share their perspectives freely. By fostering an atmosphere where diverse viewpoints are welcomed and respected, we increase the likelihood of reaching common ground and gaining others' support. The power of empathy and understanding. Empathy and understanding play a crucial role in resolving conflicts and gaining cooperation. Dale Carnegie underscores the importance of putting ourselves in others' shoes and seeking to understand their motivations and feelings. By demonstrating empathy, we validate their experiences and emotions, fostering a sense of connection and trust. When conflicts arise, empathy allows us to approach the situation with compassion and patience. It enables us to communicate our ideas and concerns in a way that acknowledges the other person's viewpoint, reducing defensiveness and resistance. By actively listening and empathizing, we create an environment that encourages open communication and collaboration, increasing the chances of influencing others positively. Furthermore, understanding others' perspectives helps us tailor our arguments and proposals in a way that resonates with them. It allows us to frame our ideas in a manner that addresses their needs and concerns, making our message more compelling and persuasive. In summary, winning people to your way of thinking involves avoiding arguments and embracing a cooperative approach, admitting mistakes, and avoiding the need to be always right. Additionally, empathy and understanding are essential in resolving conflicts and gaining cooperation. By applying these principles, readers can enhance their ability to influence others effectively and build mutually beneficial relationships. Be a leader. How to change people without offending them. Inspiring others and giving them a sense of importance. To effectively change people without offending them, Dale Carnegie emphasizes the importance of inspiring others and giving them a sense of importance. People have a fundamental need to feel valued and appreciated, and by recognizing their worth, we can motivate them to embrace positive change. Leadership involves empowering others by highlighting their strengths, talents, and potential contributions. By acknowledging their efforts and achievements, we reinforce their self-esteem and create a supportive environment. When individuals feel valued and respected, they are more likely to be open to change and embrace new ideas. Praising others for achievements and encouraging potential. Praising others for their achievements and encouraging their potential is a powerful tool for fostering positive change. Dale Carnegie asserts that sincere and specific praise can have a profound impact on individuals' motivation and self-confidence. By recognizing and celebrating their accomplishments, we inspire them to aim higher and continue their growth. Furthermore, leaders who encourage others' potential create an atmosphere that nurtures personal and professional development. By offering support, guidance, and opportunities for growth, we empower individuals to reach their full potential. When people feel that their potential is recognized and encouraged, they become more receptive to change and willingly embrace new ideas and challenges. Providing constructive criticism without resentment. The art of providing constructive criticism without arousing resentment is a crucial skill for leaders. Dale Carnegie emphasizes the need to approach criticism with tact and empathy, focusing on improvement rather than personal attacks. Constructive criticism should be framed in a way that highlights areas for growth while showing belief in the individual's capabilities. Effective leaders avoid harsh criticism and instead offer feedback in a constructive manner. By providing specific examples, offering suggestions for improvement, and emphasizing the potential benefits of change, leaders can help individuals see the value in making adjustments without feeling attacked or defensive. When criticism is delivered with respect and genuine concern for the individual's growth, it can be received positively and lead to meaningful change. In summary, being a leader who can change people without offending them involves inspiring others and giving them a sense of importance, praising their achievements, and encouraging their potential. Additionally, providing constructive criticism in a respectful and empathetic manner allows for personal and professional growth. By practicing these techniques, leaders can effectively guide individuals through change and create an environment that fosters growth and success. Conclusion summary of key principles and techniques. Throughout the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie presents key principles and techniques for enhancing interpersonal skills and influencing others positively. The following are the summarized key principles and techniques discussed. Fundamental techniques in handling people. Avoid criticism and offer genuine appreciation. Use people's names to make them feel valued and respected. Listen actively and show sincere interest in others. 6 ways to make people like you. Become genuinely interested in others' lives and experiences. Use smiles and create a positive atmosphere. Be a good listener and allow others to talk about themselves. How to win people to your way of thinking. Avoid arguments and adopt a cooperative approach. Admit mistakes and avoid the need to be always right. Use empathy and understanding to resolve conflicts and gain cooperation. Be a leader. How to change people without offending them. Inspire others and give them a sense of importance. Praise others for their achievements and encourage their potential. Provide constructive criticism without arousing resentment. Building stronger relationships and achieving success. By mastering the principles and techniques presented in this book, readers have the opportunity to build stronger relationships and achieve success in various aspects of life. The ability to effectively communicate, connect with others, and influence positively is essential in personal relationships, professional environments, and leadership roles. By genuinely showing interest in others, using positive gestures, and being a good listener, readers can foster meaningful connections, create trust, and build rapport. These skills lay the foundation for successful collaborations, teamwork, and mutually beneficial relationships. Furthermore, by adopting a cooperative approach, admitting mistakes, and offering constructive criticism, readers can navigate conflicts and differences more effectively. This allows for the resolution of challenges and the creation of a supportive environment where personal and professional growth can thrive. The principles and techniques presented in this book are not mere strategies for manipulation. They are rooted in empathy, respect, and genuine care for others. By embodying these principles and consistently practicing the techniques, readers can cultivate an influential and charismatic presence that attracts others and enables them to achieve success in their endeavors. In conclusion, How to Win Friends and Influence People offers a timeless guide for improving interpersonal skills and influencing others positively. By implementing the principles and techniques presented in this book, readers have the opportunity to build stronger relationships, inspire others, and achieve success in various aspects of their lives.